Do you want to learn the secret tips and tricks top affiliates use to make $100, $500, or even $1,000 a day? The truth is, most beginners fail at affiliate marketing because they don't know the proven strategies that actually work in 2025. In this video, I'll reveal 10 powerful affiliate marketing tips and tricks that can turn your side hustle into a full-time income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. Welcome to Affiliate Success Vault, your go-to channel for affiliate marketing strategies, passive income hacks, and online business success. If you're serious about making money online, subscribe now and let's dive in. Before we jump into advanced tricks, let's get the basics right. Affiliate marketing is about connecting the right audience with the right product. Your success depends on choosing a profitable niche, finding high-converting products, and building trust. Tip number 1. Choose high-paying affiliate programs. Stop promoting low-ticket products. Look for affiliate programs that pay $50, $100, or recurring commissions. Platforms like ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, and PartnerStack have high-paying offers. Tip number 2. Focus on evergreen niches. Evergreen niches like finance, health, relationships, and technology never go out of style. Instead of chasing trends, choose a niche where people are always looking for solutions. Tip number 3. Build an email list. An email list is your most powerful asset. Use free tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit to collect emails. Send helpful content and product recommendations to build trust and drive sales on autopilot. Tip number 4. Use free traffic sources. You don't need paid ads to start. YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and SEO blogs can bring unlimited free traffic if you create valuable, engaging content. Tip number 5. Create problem-solving content. Affiliate success comes from solving your audience's problems. Instead of pushing links, create how-to videos, product reviews, or tutorials that offer real solutions. Tip number 6. Leverage social proof. Show proof that the product works. Use testimonials, case studies, or even your own experience to build trust and increase conversions. Tip number 7. Use affiliate SEO. Optimize your content with keywords like best, review, or V's. SEO-driven content ranks on Google and brings in free targeted traffic for years. Tip number 8. Track and analyze. Use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards to see what's working. Double down on content and products that bring the highest conversions. Tip number 9. Don't spam, build value. Spammy affiliate links kill trust. Focus on valuable, authentic recommendations that help your audience. Tip number 10. Stay consistent. Affiliate marketing takes time. Success comes with consistency, testing, and patience. Stick to your plan for at least 90 days to see results. If these affiliate marketing tips inspired you, start implementing them today. Subscribe to Affiliate Success Vault for step-by-step guides and comment below which tip you'll try first. Your affiliate success starts now.